Next up, we have Haven, and this is going to be exciting. We're going to head out to the Bowersfield and the Aviation Training Center where Haven takes most of her classes. Haven came all the way from Hawaii to join the professional pilot program. Central's Department of Aviation offers the only professional pilot bachelor's degree in the Pacific Northwest. Tell us more about it, Haven.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. I always knew I wanted to go to college after high school, but it wasn't until my junior year when I chose to pursue a career in aviation. Central Washington University is the only fully accredited public university aviation program in the Pacific Northwest, which means I can earn all my licenses and ratings as well as my degree in one place. It's the best of both worlds. Aviation is one of Central's most popular programs. People from across the country come to Ellensburg to tour Bowersfield Airport, where flight operations take place, to see what all the buzz is about. Whether you're a first year or a fourth year, all aviation students are welcome to make use of the many training tools, including utilizing flight training devices and flying one of our new Piper Archer aircraft in our fleet. On top of that, Central also hosts multiple events with airline companies and guest speakers in the field throughout the year. This gives students like me a chance to make connections and gain honest perspectives about the industry. I'm from Hawaii and I was hesitant about going so far away from home to earn my degree. But I was able to immerse myself into the program right from the beginning, which is a big reason why I chose to stay and continue in the four-year program, and I'm glad that I did. I was flying within my first couple of weeks here at Central, and still today, entering my senior year, friends and family back home are amazed by the amount of hands-on opportunities I've experienced over the years. Central's aviation program has prepared me in more ways than I could have hoped. The hands-on experiences in the aircraft, the flight simulators, in the classroom with my peers, and the exposure to individuals in the industry have all shaped me into the pilot that I am today. That's all for me. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Haven. CWU has a stellar reputation for preparing students for the demands of the aviation industry. I know your time in the program is going to prepare you to be an amazing pilot. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to be on one of your flights someday. All right, keep up the good work, Haven.